Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here. So I'm headed into the Dollar Tree and I thought I'd invite you all to come along with me. Let's go shopping. So Dollar Tree is definitely getting ready for Mother's Day. It is this Sunday, everyone, May 13th. And if you need some last minute goodies, you might want to check out Dollar Tree. They've got everything that the Dollar Tree could have for Mother's Day. I am loving these lavender stems. They even have them in blue and white, and these red together would be a great little combo for the 4th of July. Memorial Day is also right around the corner. So lots of faux florals and plenty of the handmade cards. Now I was very surprised by the amount of them shaped in a money holder. So more than half of them are money holder cards, lots of different colors and designs. They did have a few of the more traditional sized, and they did have them for grandmothers, moms, sisters. I really like this little golden white stripe. When it comes to cards, I always try to pick them up at the Dollar Tree because they're so affordable, and that way you can always spend more on the gift. This is another really pretty one in the teal. Lots of little embellishments. This is very pretty. And they even did a unicorn. That'd probably be best for a child to give mom. You are rare and magical. They also had these really cute gift bags. And the best part is they were pretty wide at the bottom. That can be rare in a Dollar Tree gift bag. I do really like this pink and orange combo, and the teal and pink is super cute as well. And they did have a few different purse-shaped gift bags. Again, a pretty good size bottom. It's something I always look at to make sure it will fit the gift I'm giving. And they had this one in a few different prints. I love that it's shaped kind of like a little purse. And all the florals are perfect for Mother's Day. Look what finally made it to my store. They finally got the little canvas signs. So these are probably 8 inches by maybe 4 inches, and I found them in 4 different prints. And I was really excited to find these little square prints for Mother's Day that are frames in a 4-inch by 4-inch. They're just a little square standing box and would be a great little gift for mom, especially if you put a picture in it of the two of you. In my family, I am the picture taker, so there's very few pictures of me with my kids, and that would be a really neat gift. Now, if you're planning on giving flowers, I also found these glass vases. They have almost a hobnail design around the bottom. I also found these hanging canvas pieces. This one's a little confusing because I believe it says thank your for being you. I'm not sure that it's meant to read that way, but they did have it in a few other designs. They have it in the family version with the gold print, and in the Every Love Story version. I also found quite a few little decorative pieces, lots of little wooden plaque signs, walk by faith, not by sight, and I did find quite a few of the string art little canvases. There were interestingly 2 different sizes. It looks like some may have been from last year and a few are updated more for this year. I really like the family is everything and follow your dreams with the little arrows. They also put out the little pin sets again where you get 3 different prints. And I remember them doing this last year. These are definitely different prints from last year. This one is probably my favorite. It's really colorful, and they also have this really nice floral. Another thing that I thought would be a good little gift, especially if you're taking a little person shopping for Mother's Day, are these little decorative plates. They're little mirrors with different little sentiments on them. They have this version in Home is Wherever Your Mom Is that I really like. Happy Mother's Day poem, and this floral version. I also found these really pretty sort of cut crystal looking votive holders, and my store finally got in these little LED candlelight sets with the little clear glass rocks. You could always use one of the reusable totes as a gift bag for mom. I know that I am always needing more bags. Now in this Dollar Tree, I found a few different items out for summer. These bags were not in my other Dollar Tree. And I love this little pineapple version. They also have the drawstring backpacks and this fun coordinating anchor scarf and the pineapple. And this pretty teal version. A couple other florals I haven't seen at my other store. And the Tiki torches are out. They have them in all the bright summer colors, and that's a really good deal, especially if it's going to be a one-time use. I found a few new signs out for summer here. These are very similar to ones that they put out last year. I remember this island party version. They also have it in the sandy beach. And in the happy summer, the little flip-flop, all of the fun tiki faces on the cups. These are a lot of fun because they're stackable. They're pretty heavy plastic. I'm not sure I would use these in the dishwasher, but I was very impressed that they made them to stack on top of each other for space saving. They also have all of the stemmed ware and these larger tiki cups in plastic, purple, yellow, teal, and pink. I really like the prints they did in their napkins, especially this pink version here with all the tropical birds. I think that one's really cute. Some more fun little drinkware with different prints on it, different colored straws. These are plastic. They almost look like a soda pop bottle, but the top is also plastic. They would be really cute little party gifts if you were doing something in the luau theme. All of the little pineapple cups are back, and they have these little plastic sippers in the pineapple, the tiki, the palm tree, and the flamingo. They also have these that are very similar to the ones with the straws and lids, just really tall, narrow cups. This one's a little bit different print. I like the little popsicles on there. I found a few more signs over here hiding, the Tiki Bar and Welcome to Paradise. They also have it in the Best Beach Party Ever. Really pretty colors on there. I also found these little pouches that you could use for your makeup or little odds and ends in your purse. Lots of summer prints with the pineapples and flamingos. They also have these eye-cooling little masks in cucumbers. 16 of them come in a pack, and I believe you just pop them in the fridge or freezer. I found all kinds of nail polish by Kiss. Again, it looks like they have more than I've ever seen in one place. I was excited to find these plain soap dispensers in white in my bath area. Those are great. I have one in my kitchen. Just a few odds and ends in the pet area. I found these two-sided dishes, and they come in a few different colors. They also have these printed ones, also in a few different prints. There's the Target dog. And summer is right around the corner, as my kids are constantly reminding me. I was excited to see that they have out a few cute ways to keep the kids up to date in the teacher section. Lots of little workbooks. If you are looking for something, it looked like they pretty much had grades K through 3. They also had tons of flashcards, and I found this really nice little set of books. They're all different nature inspired little readers. Definitely something that maybe a second grader could get a hold of and read. And this would be a nice thing to have on hand for keeping up reading during the summer. They had it in the bugs, in the animals, sea life, dinosaurs, reptiles. And it looks like a few of these are probably better for 3rd grade and space. While I was in the stationery area, I found these really pretty little expandable folder files by Jot in all these fun florals. Also found a few new wall decals. These are really nice. There are 6 of them. They're kind of like mandalas, almost tie-dye looking.
GPS signal off.
Really bright and colorful. Enjoy the little things. This looks kind of like a chalkboard, and it's in 2 pieces. You just put it side by side. They also had the really pretty, in my opinion, succulents and cacti. So this one you get 3 of. The back side is the large one, and then you get 2 smaller on the front. A few new sayings at my store. Faith can move mountains with the arrow. That one's really nice. You will forever be my always. They also have these rainbow alphas. It is a 2-sided. Looks like you get 2 of almost every letter. They have all kinds of beaded rosary. I did find the Who Be Gone spray in the cleaning area, and they had it in a few different scents. They have it in lavender on one side of the end cap, and then on the other side they had this citrus lemon. Now I know this is kind of a knockoff of the name brand that I believe is sold over at Bed Bath & Beyond, but I haven't tried either. This is a really adorable little donut reusable bag, and this pretty Live Simply one. On my way out, I found a few more things that caught my eye. I hope you guys have a wonderful Mother's Day if you are celebrating someone special in your life, or just staying home and relaxing. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me to the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you all back very soon in the next video.